Good morning, Mo'ay Rabotai. Bez Hashem, Minhat for this week is going to be 7:30. Please be on time. In terms of the Halachot of Muktze, we're going to discuss now the topic of basis. Topic of basis is the same word as like a basis, which means a foundation. When there's a Muktze item on top of something, that something assumes the status of the Muktze item, provided that it was put on top intentionally. Not something that it was forgotten and it was left somewhere that it didn't really belong, but it was intentionally placed in a certain place. Let's say, for example, a person has a wallet. A wallet has inside money, $100 bills inside it. So the money is muktze. The wallet that is holding the money, that the money is contained within, also becomes muktze because of the money. Even though the wallet in its own right, without any money, according to Dat Maran, a kiss of money is not inherently muktze. The reason is because it holds something that's muktze, like we said by the candles, but it's not inherently itself muktze. However, the minute it has money inside, it becomes muktze. Why? Because it is basis ledavar asur. And if you take that wallet and you put it in a bowl, where every single time you leave it in this bowl, this is the bowl that you leave it in, that bowl also becomes muktze. To the point that if for some reason or another someone on Shabbat moved the wallet, let's say it was a little kid came, he moved the wallet, that bowl itself, even though the wallet is no longer there, but because it was there in the beginning of the Shabbat, the bowl itself assumes the status of the wallet, which had the status of the money, and therefore it's like the money itself, you can't move it. It has a din muktze mahmat gufo. That's the concept of basis. It can go on forever. It goes on from the item itself is muktze. The Gemara has a similar case with the candles. The fire of a candle is muktze. Not only the fire, the wick, because it's a base for the fire, it also becomes muktze. Then the oil becomes muktze because it's a base for that. And then also the container becomes muktze. So it comes down again. The laws of basis comes down all the way to anything that's a foundation. Does it ever have a limit? Of course it's going to have a limit. For example, let's say a case where there's two items. There's certain things that are mutar, certain things that are asur. Let's say you have a cabinet and it has drawers. And in the drawer I have a wallet and I also have a sidur. So now the question is, does this whole drawer become muktze? Can I pull it out because it has a wallet inside? Or on the other hand, it has a sidur. So does it have the status of muktze or not? Depends on what's considered to be more hashuv, more important in the eyes of the person. So let's say you're talking about a wallet that has a few dollar bills. And on the other hand, the sidur is a sidur. So obviously the amount, it doesn't have to be a sidur, anything. Let's say it has his glasses. Let's say it has, it has spoons, forks, things like that inside. Other things. If it has a small amount of money, so we say that usually the whoa, if the majority of the things there, if the primary purpose is for things that are muktze, then that whole drawer is muktze. You cannot open it and you cannot close it under the rules of basis. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen.